Matt Haviland here at Woods Landing inside another new construction 87 Keller Way. This one is going to be closing in about a week, almost done. Just going to show you some of the finishing touches here for this Rhapsody model at Woods Landing, Mays Landing, New Jersey. So we got the gathering room back here. You have your eating kitchen area, white cabinetry. Dining room here in the front of the house. Beautiful bay window there. Two-story foyer, which is standard feature here for all the homes here. Excuse me, just for this Rhapsody model here at Woods Landing. Two-story foyer. Show you the back of the house. Over here we have a pantry underneath the steps. We have laundry room with the tub. The study office area has the French doors, which is an option, nice option there to have. This particular home backing up to the drainage basin. Pond there, really nice. Just have to get the painter in here, and this one is almost done. Paint, clean up. Here's the owner's bedroom. We have two walk-in closets. This being the larger one here. Owner's bathroom, dual vanities, really nice tile floor here, soaking tub, and the seated shower. Back at the front of the house, we have our front guest bedroom here. The front of the house, garage to the left. Two closets, number two coat closets or coat closet, linen closet. And then we have the full bathroom here in the back. Again, really nice tile work here for the tub surround. Tile floor. Here's the vanity. So if you're looking for a new construction home, definitely want to check out Woods Landing. And we have a couple of quick delivery homes that are going up right now. We have 3 Maestros, 1 Aria, and 1 Cavatina. That'll all be done in summer 2021 delivery dates. If you're looking for something pretty soon, we may have some inventory available. Contact me for more information. I also have a free report, 5 myths about buying a new construction home. So you want to download that in the description in the video. You can get that free report. And please like if you like this video and share. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you'd like more content like this, more home tours and information on new construction. Thanks.